Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the board safe. Power off, unplug, remove batteries, and ensure large capacitors are discharged so you won't short or shock yourself. Once that's done, photograph both sides and label connectors so you can reassemble correctly. Put on an ESD strap and work on a grounded mat because static ruins electronics. Next, remove the board from the chassis and use a soft brush to knock loose dust and flaky corrosion so you can see the problem areas clearly. You now attack the corrosion. Dab 90% plus isopropyl alcohol on a brush and scrub gently to dissolve salts and loose oxides. This removes conductive residues that cause shorts. If green copper deposits persist, apply a tiny amount of white vinegar to lift verdigris, then neutralize and rinse with IPA so no acid remains. When traces are pitted, use a fiberglass pencil to expose fresh copper for soldering. Make sure to remove all flux and residue with contact cleaner so repairs will hold. You finish by repairing damaged traces with solder or thin jumper wires and replacing any visibly corroded components. Test diodes, caps, and regulators with a multimeter before reinstalling. Once repaired, dry the board completely using warm air or leave it with desiccant for 24 to 48 hours so moisture won't trap under components. Reassemble and power up on a bench supply with current limiting. If it still fails, check for cold joints or hidden corrosion under ICs. Use magnification and trace continuity to find remaining faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.